Friends, Snapchat has come a long way since it launched back in 2011. It is a platform where users can share snaps with friends using various filters. So if you had deactivated your Snapchat account and now want to reactivate, then you must watch this video till the end. If you have a change of heart and decided to come back to this social media platform with all your data and previous details, here are some steps you can follow. So let's get started. Open Snapchat and tap Login. Enter your username and password and then tap Login. You will see a message that your account is currently deactivated. Tap Yes to reactivate it. You'll see a message asking you to wait a few moments for your account to be reactivated. Tap OK. You'll receive an email telling you that your account has been reactivated. Log back into your account and access Snapchat again. So I hope you can easily reactivate your Snapchat account now. Bye bye, take care, stay happy and stay tuned.